There are several different ways you can add color to epoxy resin. In this video, I'll show you 5 different ways that I use to color my epoxy resin projects. So buckle your seatbelts, let's get crafting. I already have my resin poured and ready to go. We're going to start with my favorite, which is the mica powder. This I got off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description for these as well as the other colors. And the only thing I don't like about this is that it's quite messy. But I absolutely love the color that it does. So the way you do it is you just get your spatula and you scoop a little bit and then you add it to your resin. And a little bit goes a long way, and you can always add more. I chose these alphabet molds to use today. So we're going to put the mica powder in the letter M. See how rich that is? And the second one we're going to do today is called alcohol ink. Also got this pack on Amazon. You can get several different colors. There are different ways you can use this, but in this video I'm just going to mix it right in with the resin. And a little bit goes a long way with this one as well. So you want to start off with just a few drops. I do want to add a little bit more color to this. Choose the eye on this one. Put some in the end too, because the eye is kind of smaller. Might as well do the K to finish off the ink here. The third color you can use is acrylic paint. Now you want to be careful with using acrylic paint because if you use too much, it can mess up the drying time of your resin. So start off small. And so we're just going to pour this in the A here. The fourth one we're going to use is resin pigment. And this is made specifically for resin, and it does keep the resin non-toxic. I'm just going to put a few drops in here, just like all the others. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. I'm going to use the P for this one. And last but not least, our fifth color is not a color per se, but we are using glitter. I have different size glitters here. We have a large glitter and then just a really fine glitter. I'm going to start off with the fine glitter, and all of these are messy. There's no getting away from not getting glitter everywhere. So I'm going to add a decent amount in there. Then I'm going to add some of the big glitter as well. Okay, I'm going to pour this one into the G. Then I'll do one more. What do I want? I'll do the T. Finish it off with the R here. It's so shimmery. Now that we got them poured, I'm going to use my heat gun to blast away the bubbles. And then we're just going to let them sit for 24 hours, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, it's time for the big reveal. These are finished drying. Right, and we'll start with the mica powder. See how rich that is? Very opaque. You can see the little shimmery through it. It's very pretty. So that's the mica powder. Now the alcohol ink. We did the I, the N, and the K. This one has some bubbles left in it, the little micro bubbles, but it's very translucent. See all the way through it. It's a very pretty color. All right, and then the acrylic. See how it's more matte, very opaque. Now for the pigment, the resin pigment. This one's very translucent as well. Came out very nice. And the glitter. See how the big glitter sank to the bottom? And then the fine glitters all the way through it. And there you have it. 5 different ways that you can color your epoxy resin for your crafting projects.